Students, in maths first, topic number 6, statistic, we had already learned about grouped and ungrouped data, what is mean by mean, median, mode, what is mean by the formulas on mean, median and mode also. Also we had seen how to draw histogram, frequency, polygon in last video. Now last point in this topic is pie diagram. Student, today we will see pie diagram. In previous standard we had learned many figures in geography and science, such as, see the figures here, proportional of land and water on the earth. Here given is the figure about proportional of land and water on the earth. There is 29% land and 71% water. And second figure, this figure depends on subject related to geography. See the second figure, proportional of constituents of air. Here constituents of air is given. 21% is oxygen and 78% is nitrogen, and remaining 1% are other gases. This figure is related to science and this figure is related to geography. So students, in science, geography, we see such type of figure. Such type of figure are called as pie diagram. मराठी मध्ये आपण वृत्तालेख म्हणतो. हा सर्कल मध्ये काढला जातो. ओके. Now see this figure. In this figure, in the pie diagram, what is the pie diagram then? A pie diagram is the diagram in which numerical data is shown in the circle. So we call it as pie diagram. Different components of the data are shown by the sector. See in the figure. Here OA and OB are radius of same circle with center O. Angle AOB is the central angle here. The shaded portion, see here OAXB. This is the sector of the circle. We call it as sector. AXB is the minor arc and OAXB is the, here see, OAXB is the sector of the circle. We use this sector in our pie diagram. Okay. Now we will see how to read the pie diagram. See, we see such type of figures giving information. In this figure, what is given information? 37% plays cricket or like cricket game, 15% like tennis game, 13% like kho game, 10% like kabaddi, 25% likes hockey. Such type of figure we call it as pie diagram. From this pie diagram we understand, we get the information at a glance. So this diagram is also important for understanding the given information. So we learn more about the pie diagram. That is, we see such type of figures in newspaper given in the form of pie diagram. For example, annual budget, performance in different nations, in Olympic games, etc. So how to draw this pie diagram we will see today. To draw a pie diagram. Pie diagram मध्ये काय असणार आहे बघा. मराठी मध्ये आपण वृत्तालेख असं म्हणतो त्याला. त्यामध्ये एक सर्कल असणार आहे आणि सर्कल मध्ये ती इन्फॉर्मेशन अशी दाखवलेली असते. अमुक पर्सेंट एवढे विद्यार्थी तर A1 मध्ये यायचे, एवढे A2 मध्ये, एवढे पर्सेंट A2 A3 मध्ये असं दाखवलेले असते इन्फॉर्मेशन. जसं आपण कसं काय काय ग्राफ बघितले, ते टॅब्युलर फॉर्ममध्ये इन्फॉर्मेशन बघितली पहिला, नंतर ग्राफ मध्ये बघितली इन्फॉर्मेशन. देन in histogram we see the information. One of the method to represent the information is the pie diagram. अनेक मेथड काय अशी इन्फॉर्मेशन रिप्रेझेंट करण्याची पाय डायग्राम ही एक मेथड आहे. We draw this pie diagram How to draw this pi diagram we will see. For this, here it is circle, we call this as sector. This is the sector. All these are the sectors formed in this circle. So here in the formula see, measure of central angle of sector theta. Means here central angle we denote by theta. Central angle माहिती सगळ्यांना. Central angle ना measure of central angle of sector. We define this as number of scores in the component divided by total number of scores into 360. 360 का घेतलंय? सर्कलचं पूर्ण किती असणार आहे अँगल? 360 असणार आहे. नंबर ऑफ स्कोर्स इन द कॉम्पोनंट. स्कोर कॉम्पोनंट हे काय झाले? त्याचे कॉम्पोनंट झालेले आहेत, पार्ट्स झालेले आहेत. हा, हे सेक्टरचे काय, हे सेक्टर झाले की वेगवेगळे सेक्टर तयार झालेले आहेत. हे सेक्टर काय, त्याचे एक सर्कलचे पार्ट्स तयार झालेले आहेत. नंबर ऑफ स्कोर्स इन द कॉम्पोनंट. या कॉम्पोनंट मधला स्कोर काय आहे, या कॉम्पोनंट मधला स्कोर, या प्रत्येक कॉम्पोनंट मधला स्कोर काय असणार आहे? डिफरंट असणार आहे. हा, टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्कोर, त्याचा टोटल नंबर किती असेल तेवढा स्कोर. समजा किती असतील? 100% आपल्याला काढायचं आहे. A1 मध्ये एवढं आहे, A2 मध्ये एवढं आहे असेल. मग टोटल नंबर काय येणार आहे? पूर्ण 100 येणार आहे. म्हणजे ह्याचा कॉम्पोनंट डिवाइडेड बाय 100, ह्याचा कॉम्पोनंट डिवाइडेड बाय 100 असं येणार आहे इंटू 360. Understand what is the formula for finding? The formula is measure of central angle of sector theta is equal to number of scores in the component divided by total number of scores into 360. See the first example, how to draw histogram. Sorry, how to draw pi diagram. The age group and number of person who donated blood in a blood donation camp is given below. Draw a pi diagram from it. See here given age group is given and number of person who donated the blood is given. We already do this work in also mean median mode also. We can do this one for finding mean or median mode, or in the histogram also we had seen how to draw this histogram. Now we will see how to draw pi diagram from the given information. We can represent this information using pi diagram also. Okay. See what are the given. There are two columns given. Write the two columns: age group and number of person. And third one column is measure of central angle. That is theta. Measure of central angle theta. We have to calculate. See how to calculate. We have done the age group, number of person. Then we had already learned the formula for finding measure of central angle. The number of the component divided by total number of component. इथं component कुठला आहे? इथं पर्सनची संख्या दिली आहे. पर्सनची संख्या किती आहे? इथं 80 डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ कॉम्पोनंट्स. म्हणजे टोटल नंबर ऑफ कॉम्पोनंट्स म्हणजे इथं काय आहे? पर्सन्स आहेत का? म्हणजे टोटल काढायला लागेल आपल्याला. टोटल किती येते बघा? 5 5 10 6 6 2 जा 12 6 3 जा 18 plus 200. The total number of persons is 200. Means this is total number of components. In that formula, denominator is 200 into 360. We multiply by 360. Okay. So here calculate 1 0 get cancel. 2 1 जा 2, 2 4 जा 8. 36 into 4, 144. Therefore, the measure of central angle of the age group 20 to 25 is 144. Now second similarly calculate. Here number of components in the age group 25 to 30 is 60 divided by total number is 200 into 360. 0 get cancel. 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6. Means your answer is 36 into 3, 108. Then number of persons in the age group 30 to 35 is 35 divided by total number of students, the number of persons is 200 into 360. 1 0 get cancelled. 5 4 जा 20, 5 7 जा 35, 4 1 जा 4, 4 9 जा 36. Therefore here 7 9 जा 60, and last one, number of components in the age group 35 to 40 is 25 divided by total number of components means total number of persons here 200 into 360. 5 4 जा 20, 5 5 जा 25, 4 1 जा 4, 4 9 जा 36, 9 5 जा 45. And here observe, this sum is also, you calculate, this sum becomes 360. See, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 5 20, carries 2, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 4 16, carry 1, 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3. Here this answer must be 360 because we need a pie diagram, that is circle. The total number is 360. Angle किती असणार आहे सर्कलचा 360 असणार. And from this table we calculate now pie diagram. First draw any circle with suitable scale, suitable radius. Draw any circle with suitable radius. First draw radius. Now starting from this, first angle is 144. So start from 144. Start from right 0. Starting from 0, 144. Make dot at 144 and join ray. सर्कलच्या बाहेर काढायचं नाहीये, सर्कल पर्यंतच काढायचं आहे. दिस अँगल इज 144 degree. Now second angle of group 25 to 30. This is 144 angle. Central angle is of which group? Age group 20 to 25. This is age group 20 to 25. Okay. Then second angle is 108. How to draw this 108? See. Now from this side, बघा असं पण वापर करायचं आहे तुम्ही. हा प्रोटेक्टर असं ठेवायचं आहे. हा काय आला पाहिजे? फेस आला पाहिजे इकडचा. And from this side 0. Calculate up to 108. 108. And join this. This angle is 180. Okay. This is of which age group? Age group 25 to 30. Next angle is of 63. From this, now take this as base. 63 up to 63. This is angle 63 degree. Of which age group? Age group 30 to 35. And last one remains is of 45. You see, this remains of 45. See, observe here. It is of 45. हा काय राहणार आहे? 45 चा राहणारच आहे. आपण काय काढायची गरज नाहीये. This is of age group. Which age group is here? 35 to 40. And this diagram is called as pie diagram. Okay. Understand how to draw pie diagram? First calculate this table. The two columns in the 2 columns are in the example, okay, and third column is of measure of central angle. How to calculate this? Number of component divided by total number of component. हा component number of component असणार आहे and total ह्याचं काय जे घेणार ते काय घ्यायचं आहे, डिनॉमिनेटरला घ्यायचं आहे into 360. Calculate this carefully. Similarly, calculate all the terms and then draw circle with any suitable radius. Join first any radius and draw the angles, different angles, and the figure formula is the pie diagram. From this pie diagram also we can explain which age group has the maximum number of donation. तुम्ही सांगू शकता की या पाय डायग्राम मधनं पण म्हणजे हे पण इन्फॉर्मेशन काय देते आपल्याला, जास्त असलेली इन्फॉर्मेशन आपण हे पाय डायग्राम मधनं पटकन सांगू शकतोय. म्हणजे या टॉपिक मध्ये आपण सगळे वेगवेगळे काय बघितलेले आहेत, जास्त इन्फॉर्मेशन असलेली माहिती पिक्टोरियल किंवा पिक्टोरियल मध्ये टेबल मध्ये कसं लिहायचं हे आपण यामध्ये बघितलेलं आहे. इन दिस फिगर ऑल्सो बघा तुम्हाला ऍक्टिव्हिटी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आहेत की नाही. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आणि क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. क्वेश्चन 2A मध्ये ऍक्टिव्हिटी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन असणार आहे 4 मार्काचे आणि क्वेश्चन 3A मध्ये पण 6 मार्काचे ऍक्टिव्हिटी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन असतात. त्यामध्ये 2 मार्कामध्ये हा क्वेश्चन विचारू शकतील तुम्हाला. इथं यामध्ये तुम्हाला इथं फिलिंग द ब्लँक्स इथं बॉक्स देतील, इथं बॉक्स देतील, इथं बॉक्स देतील, असे 4 बॉक्स देतील किंवा 6 बॉक्स देतील. त्यावरून देखील तुम्हाला हा अँगल काढता यायला पाहिजे. See the second example in the practice set 6.6. What is given in this example? The marks obtained by student in different subjects are shown. We have to draw pie diagram of the given information. What is given? See here, subjects are given and marks obtained are given. Here, subjects are given: English 50 marks obtained, Marathi 70, Science 80, Maths 90, Social Science 60 and Hindi 50. Here marks obtained are given here. So we have to draw the pie diagram representing this information. So first write the table, write the 2 columns and third column is of central angle. What is the marks in English? 50 and total number of marks. What are the total number of marks here? See, 50 plus 70, 120. 120 plus 80, 200. 200 plus 90, 290. 290 plus 60, 350. 350 plus 50, 400. This total number of marks are 400 into 360. 0 will cancel. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 9 into 5, 45 degree. Similarly, calculate all these central angle. 70 divided by 400 into 360. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. 7 into 9, 63. Then 80 divided by 400 into 360. 0 will cancel. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 9 into 8, 72. 90 divided by 400 into 360. 0 will cancel. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36. 9 nines are 81 degree. Then last one into 360. Here 60, okay. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36, 9 6 are 54. And last one, 50 divided by 400 into 360. 4 nines are 36, 9 5s are 45. And calculate this sum. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10, 11, 11 plus 4 15, 15 plus 5 20, carry 2, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 7 19, 19 plus 8 27, 27 plus 5 32, 32 plus 4 36. Means total is here 360. जर टोटल तुम चुकलं तरी तर काहीतरी कॅल्क्युलेशन चुकलेलं आहे लक्षात ठेवायचं. नाउ सिमिलरली the process for drawing pie diagram. First draw a circle, then first angle is of 45. Draw first angle of 45. This angle is of 45. Then next angle is 63. बघा इथून सुरुवात केली की नाही तुम्ही, इकडून पहिले इकडून तर तुम्हाला यायचं उलट ओळीनं जाऊन चुकणार नाही, आधीमध्ये काढायचं नाही. हा इकडूनच काढायचं 63. Then next angle is 72. एंगल काढताना ॲक्युरेट काढा. 0 पासून स्टार्टिंग करा, 180 पासून करू नका. इकडून ॲक्युरेट एंगल आहे. दिस एंगल इज ऑफ 72 डिग्री. देन 81. This angle is of 81 degree. Then 54 and 45. 54 first calculate. Draw angle of 54. And last angle is of 45 degree. Okay. And name all these angles. What is the given here? 45 degree angle is of which subject? English. 63 is of Marathi. Then science, maths, then social science and Hindi. And this is of So from this pi diagram we easily give the answers of any type of question. यातून सांगू शकतो की आपण कुठल्याला मार्क जास्त आहे, किती पर्सेंट आहे असं सांगू शकतो आपण. Student, we had learned how to draw pi diagram. Now we will see if the pi diagram is given and we have to know about the things, that is question on it. We will see one example. Here one pi diagram is given. It shows proportional of different workers in the town, and we are given 3 questions on it. First question is what? See what is given here. Proportional of different workers in town. Workers town मध्ये दिलेले आहेत. प्रोडक्शन मध्ये, हॉटेल, कन्स्ट्रक्शन, फूड, ॲग्रिकल्चर, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अँड ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. What are the question given? If the total number of worker is 10,000, how many of them are in the field of construction? So here total number of workers are given 10,000 and we have to find field in the construction. How many of them are in the construction? So let's see. We write field in construction as X. X worker are in the field of construction. Total number of workers are 10,000. We know the formula for this. The central angle for construction is equal to workers in the field of construction divided by total number of workers into 360. Central angle for construction is given 72 is equal to x upon 10,000 into 360. We have to find value of x. So x remains as it is. 10,000 get multiplied and 360 get divided by 1 0 get cancelled. 36 1 are 36, 32 6 2 are 72. 1,000 into 2 2,000. Therefore the number of workers in the field of construction are 2,000. Okay, first question is completed. Second, how many workers are working in the administration? ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन मध्ये किती वर्कर्स आहेत विचारलेलं आहे. आपण वाय मान येते. लेट वाय वर्कर्स आर वर्किंग इन द ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. द सेंट्रल अँगल फॉर ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म्युला राईट ऑन फॉर्म्युला. दिस इज The central angle for administration is equal to the workers in administration divided by total number of workers into 360. सेंट्रल अँगल ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशनचा किती दिला आहे आपल्याला 36 इज इक्वल टू वर्कर्स इन ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन वाय म्हणले आपण टोटल नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स 10,000 इंटू 360 देन कॅल्क्युलेट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ वाय 36 इंटू 10,000 divided by 360 means workers in the administration are 1,000. Okay, and last one, what is the last question? See, what is the percentage of workers in the production? Similarly, calculate the central angle for production. Here we have to give one percentage. See the word percentage. Percentage of workers विचारले आपल्याला कुठलं प्रोडक्शनचा सेंट्रल अँगल किती आहे तर 90 आहे. हा कितीपैकी असणार आहे 360 पैकी. जसं आपण म्हणतो बघा I got 18 marks out of 20. Then how percent किती पर्सेंट झालं what is the percentage? Then we write as 18 upon 20. See, I had got out of 20 18 mark. Then out of 100 आपण मल्टिप्लाय काय करतो 100. Similarly here percentage of workers in production. What is the central angle for production 90 out of 360. Therefore 90 upon 360 into 100. 0 get cancel. 1 0 get cancel. 9 1 9. 9 4 जा 4 1 4 4 2 4 5 जा means 25%. 25% of the workers are in the production. Okay, understand? So student, today we had seen what is mean by pie diagram, how to represent pie diagram graphically, and questions on the pie diagram. So your today's homework is solve practice set 6.6.